and hi everyone. Let's continue our lesson to part 2. After that, go again to the tools and choose the transform variables. Drag into the diagram. Connect by the replacement into the transform variables. Right click and open. Go to the cut div and change the formula. By transform, select log, same step, go to the local, transform by log, step, further, and lastly, the time length. Save the changes. Check whether the transform variable is okay or not. So click run. So run for transform variable completed successfully. Next, we continue to add the regression node. Drag the regression node into the diagram and connect the transform variable to the regression. Right click and open it. And go to the selection method and change the method into the stepwise and also the criteria by the validation means specification. And save the changes, and we have to rename the model and also the description. So model name as Rego and the model description as a regression. Click OK. Go again to the regression, right click and run the regression. Okay, you can see that the suitable variable for this model is cut div plus cut form and the target for B. You can also see for the estimates and table result. You can also repeat for this method stepwise in order to do the method of backward and also forward. Last but not least, add the assessment node into the diagram. Then connect by the regression into assessment. Directly run the assessment. Okay, that's all for our lesson.